Debbie from Project 39 Mini Album. This is my Smash Your Halloween stash. Getting down to the nitty gritty, let me show you a couple of things I made. Then I'm going to show you what I have left. I have 6 days in my self-imposed challenge to get rid of it all. We'll see what happens. I had 2 sheets of this paper that had some iridescent foiling on it. I had made some projects with it last year. I'll see if I can find the video and link it. I also had actually these Paper Studio envelopes, 5 1/4 by 7 1/4. I used up a whole package just because I like the iridescence of it. I'm trying not to put it too much on camera. It was $1.74, so it was a good deal. But I wanted to use it up, especially with this paper. So I had 2 sheets of this paper, 3 sheets actually. One had this boo with a skull. One was this bat and spiderweb paper, which I thought was fabulous. And I thought it was so fabulous that I didn't use it on any projects. And, you know, you shouldn't do that, because when you do that, then you have paper left in your stash. And the whole point is to use up the paper. Let me show you this one mini album. This is 4.5 by 5 inches. And it just has 4 pages. I was just trying to use it up. It's very plain, but you know, if you put in some really cool Halloween pictures, I think it would be fun to use. So I layered a lot. I have the iridescent paper on white, on black, on the holographic or iridescent, and then on the black cover of the mini album. I layered up just a piece of this just to sort of have a title on there, and it looks really cool. This is difficult for me to show you without getting the sparkle in it, but actually this is the way that goes in there. There's a bat. I just fussy cut the bat and put it on. Here is a page. They're top loading pockets. I didn't cover anything in there because I could have put more iridescent paper in, but I didn't think I needed that. So anyhow, so there's that. And then we have a page of booze, another top loading pocket, page of bats and spider web. Sorry, I keep going off screen. Another page of booze. And then I did put some of that iridescent paper along the outside. So I matted it with the iridescent paper. I think it really gave it a nice touch. I don't know that you can really see it that well here. And then the last page has the bat and spiderweb paper. Another photo mat with a fussy cut bat in a pocket. There's the back page, the spine. But I thought that was a good creative way of using this. And then I had another paper, and then this paper was cat paper. It came with the same paper pad. This is what the cat paper looks like. So I thought, you know what? It's not spooky enough to go with the boo and the bat and the spider web. So I made a book all by itself. I sort of feel like it's like a tuxedo cat, because the little cat's got a little bow tie on him. So I made a book with the tuxedo cat. It's Halloween paper, but it could be for anything. And then that's pretty much all I did. I have some black glitter cardstock here. I fussy cut one of the cats and put him down there. So it is, again, a top loading book. This is 3 by 4. These photo mats are like 2.5 by 3. They're very small. And it's just the cats. I'm not exactly sure how this will be used, but it's fun. I fussy cut the cats here, and I just stuck that in the back there. So there is another cat on the back. The cover, just to make it a little different, I fussy cut sort of the layers of the cat and just spread them apart a little bit, just to give a little different effect than what that is. So that is what I did with those 3 papers. Let me show you what I have left in my stash. So I have this. You know, these are always difficult to use. I think I might make a banner out of this. I am not sure. I have this one too. So these two sort of go together, and I could make a banner with that, or I could make a card, or a decoration. A banner, I think, is what's in my mind. Then I have this paper. It came in a collection. It was the 12 by 12. I cut it because I was gonna use it for this one, but decided it just wouldn't go. So I think these three papers could go together to make a banner. So that's what I'm saving that for. Then I have all of these. This is from a Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Halloween from last year. I have this piece. I'll probably just make bookmarks, or I guess I can use this side of it. Just, miscellaneous pieces of paper. This is from it's a paper, studio paper. So I have all these that I could put together in the book with that. And then these I actually purchased this year because, I've been making Halloween award badges in my Etsy shop. And I thought I needed some extra paper. I don't know what I was thinking. So I have these 3 sheets that if I can't use them in my Halloween book, I could probably use this. This might be good for cover, spine, something like that. Oh, there's a bird. This I could save for Thanksgiving. This would work for Thanksgiving, so I don't feel that I have to use this one. But I really would like to use these. And then the very last piece is this. This is from a Country Craft Creations pad. Don't know why I have this one. I used everything else in the pad. Everything. I don't even have any other scraps. I just have this full sheet. It must have gotten mixed up. I don't know. Don't know. I could do like a vignette with it. It would be great in a junk journal, but I don't have any other pages that match with this. So I don't know. This one's stumping me. But this is the last one that I don't know what to do with. But if I can figure out a use for this and do what I said on the other ones, I will have smashed all of my Halloween paper from my stash and I won't have anything left. I know there are people that have bins and boxes and shelves full of Halloween paper and you're like, oh my goodness, what would you do when you use it all? I don't have storage and I don't want to save Halloween paper because every year new Halloween paper comes out and I want to use the new stuff. And you feel inclined to buy it. And this way, if I use it all, then in July or whenever the new stuff comes out, then I can get the new stuff and not feel so guilty about it. So that is my plan for using the rest of my stash. These are the mini albums I made. I'm sorry, I don't have a tutorial on it. I know I have tutorials on little ones. If I make another one with that other paper, I will do a quick tutorial on it. But I hope you enjoyed this Smash Your Stash. Put that bird there just because he's sort of cute. And I hope that you are able to smash some of your Halloween stash as well. Thank you so much for watching and have a fabulous day.